So here we are, guys, going downtown into Fort Worthage, which is very worth it. We are finding out.
It's very worthy.
It's very
of being
worth.
Fort Worth.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
Fantastic place, I must admit.
Has a lot of value.
Oh, vibes here are awesome, guys.
Yeah. That's a hole.
Yeah, there's all shit
They all
everywhere.
are.
I know. Okay.
And then once we get past this, we're going to roll up right
Sneak.
to the courthouse.
Sneak up.
We're coming in the back door.
Okay. Sneak up.
Yeah.
Secret squirrels.
We're sneaking in.
Oh.
Oh.
Fucking hell. Your flavour of the month.
Yeah. Call her back in a minute.
Okay. On Central Avenue. Oh, I can see Fort Worth. That tower you showed me on Google right in front of us now. Can you see
There
it?
it is.
There, guys.
Yeah, you need to get.
That whole world thingy there.
Yeah.
Right in front of us. Wow. Oh, that's epic.
And we're getting ready to go over the water feature that does a circle around where the. That's coming up. And you know, as a kid, rolling up into this
Oh,
building.
it must have been amazing.
But back then, you know, you don't even realize what you're looking at.
Yeah, of course not.
You have no
Same,
clue.
same in Britain.
Yeah. And that looks like something right out of Britain, doesn't it?
Oh, God, yeah.
Yeah. What is it doing here?
Looks like it should belong in Birmingham.
New World.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, look at that for a contrast of the old world and the new.
Yeah.
How fucking horrible the new is.
Well, they can't build like that anymore.
Oh, the Empire sucks. They got no creativity.
They don't. They think they're cool, though.
Oh, they're not cool. There's nothing
No.
fucking cool about them. They just want to be epic.
And it's just beautiful.
Fucking
Been in
stunning,
it.
stunning.
Yeah.
Check this out, guys.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's all world. Whole world
Wow.
right here. That.
Very smashed up.
There's the water feature right there.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay,
Hold it.
look at that beauty, guys.
Oh.
That is epic. Fuck me.
I'll call her back. I have to. Just wait till I get out of this.
Fucking hell. It's like every 2 minutes. Look at the fucking roof on that. Oh,
Ah, look at that.
copper.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Domage. And all of the antique tech. Wrought iron up there, look. Beautiful. So sure about new stuff. What's the mask on for? Anyway?
Let me deal with this right quick, baby.
Go on then. Bloody fucking blinking neck.
I'll tell her.
I'm sure if it's important, she'll get back.
Well, she's called twice. So.
We'll get somewhere.
Look at that.
I know, I'm looking big. It's got beautiful image on my camera. Which one's best, guys? Work this out. Which one sucks?
That or that.
Yeah.
And here's another old one right there.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, lovely little character. Yeah. Yeah, I love the old buildings.
Grandma D? Grandma D? You butt dodgy. Let me call you right back. I'm driving down through busy Fort Worth, so I'll call you back. Oh, I just love you too. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Jesus.
Aw.
I accidentally butt dialed you. I just want you to know I love you. Hang on, baby.
Yeah. Look at that code reversing out though.
Yeah, that's fine. They can't get by me, baby.
Fuck no. Look at these stuff.
No. But
No.
then look at that.
No, and you've got that beautiful green thing there. Look at that. That's what we want. Oh, Main Street. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, that's the
Yeah,
main.
baby.
You want me to circle back?
No, yeah, well, it's
you're
up to you. Yeah. Good. I don't know. This is juicy.
Okay, this is where we go.
Look at the size of that thing there.
But
Soulless
then you've got
fucking thing, and then you got that there.
yeah, it's the
Little
old
cube
fire
building a love tube.
into
It's
cute.
gonna come out your fire for you.
We're going this way,
Yeah, we are.
and I think we're going to drive past my favorite one. So we're doing everything I was trying to create so you could get it.
Fucking
Yeah.
love this town.
So shh, I'm manifesting stuff.
No say words.
No words.
No say words. Okay. Ooh,
There we go. It gets juicy down here.
it's getting juicy.
Something juicy right there.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. It's your fucking 1920s Art Nouveau thing going on there. Look at that fucking thing.
Yeah, that.
What the fuck? Okay, check that out, guys. What? Is that not the biggest skyscraper? Is that the biggest statue going?
The Bass Brothers. That owns Fort Worth.
What's this fucker doing?
Stop.
Yeah, fucking, oh, yeah. Of course.
Oh, look. Okay. Look.
I can see it.
See it?
I got it.
Got it?
Yeah. Sweet. It looks like the JP Morgan Bank that you get in Houston, doesn't it? Same sort of top.
And it's called the Courtyard. I think that's a hotel.
Oh, the courtyard, yeah. Yeah. Okay. You got a lighter, babe.
I do.
Fucking no. Tough.
Yeah, this is.
Fuck. Wait.
Got more coming up here. Right down there.
It's got multiple windows on bottom there, the downstairs door.
We're gonna go ahead and turn here.
Okay.
Get out of that.
Hey, there's us.
There we are. Say hello.
Hey, flat thumbs, wiggly flat thumbs.
Grandma D. I'm sorry. I just butt dialed you. But I love you.
Oh,
Isn't it cute?
yeah. Fucking hell, you've had all love bombs in the last
I've
hour.
had a lot of love bombs in just 30 minutes.
No, love bombs.
Love bombs. Yeah. Well, feel the vibrations. It's good. We're coming up on some more here on the right. You get love bombed way more than I do.
I don't know. Oh, there's police over there. We're good. Okay.
Yeah, we're good. Because we're just rolling through. Rolling on through. Now, look at this one here. This is the old part.
Yeah.
Here. This is where I used to come with my mother when I was a little girl to get Christmas stuff.
What, on the motorway?
What? And there was an old train.
Okay. Yeah. Crazy ass fucking Houston.
Get over there. Thank you, dude. We got this.
Okay.
All right.